Hey everyone, welcome to the shootout. I got 5 different Milwaukee fuels, 2 DeWalts, and 1 Craftsman that are going to go head-to-head, drilling some screws into this workbench. We're going to see which one comes out on top. Alright, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing a head-to-head comparison. That's right, I got 5 different Milwaukee drill drivers. I've got 3 in the M1 fuel, the regular drill driver, the impact drill driver. I've got the installation drill driver, the M18 impact driver, the M18 drill driver. In DeWalt, I've got the 20 volt max in both the impact driver and the drill driver. And in the Craftsman, I've got the 20 volt drill driver. We're gonna put all of them head to head. We're gonna time each one of them, putting some screws down into my workbench right here. And we're gonna see which one has the quickest time to put them in and take them out. We'll see how many I get set up. I'm thinking maybe probably 6, and we'll go from there. All right, first up we got the Craftsman 20 volt. This is a brushed motor, so it's got a distinctive sound. This is one that I've been having in storage, pulled it out of storage for this comparison. This is going to my son. It's part of his toolkit that I set up. So we're going to start with there. I've got my stopwatch on. I'm going to hit start on my stopwatch, grab the drill, put the first bit in the chuck and go. We're going to drill them all, or screw them all into the wood, then reverse direction and pull them all right back out. All right, go. Switch to hammer somehow, which doesn't hurt the time. All right, and out. We got 1 minute, 10 seconds. All right, gonna get set up for the next one. All right, so I don't think I mentioned in the Craftsman segment, but this has a fully charged 20 volt, 4.0 amp hour battery in it. It's the only Craftsman product I'm going to be reviewing today, so it's going to sit off to the back. The M12s, I'm going to be using this 4.0 or 5.0 XC M12 battery in it. I'm going to use this same battery in each of the 3 M12 products, so it will be being fully recharged between each product. So I start off each review, each test with a fully charged 5.0 amp hour battery. I don't have any problem whatsoever using the 5.0 in these, comparing it to the Craftsman 4 amp hour, simply because this is a 12 volt and the Craftsman is a 20 volt. So the Craftsman should have more power, even though it's an older battery, or excuse me, an older tool. All right, my camera just dropped out for some reason, so I'm starting this this test over again. I've got the stopwatch reset, and go. Forgot I needed to change the bit. And back out. 55.55 seconds. And let me put this battery on charge and on to the next one. All right, next I got the Milwaukee M18 drill driver. I've got an M18 red lithium XC 5.0 battery set up, ready and fully charged in it. Got my chucks set even, and my screws all set up. Stopwatch is ready, and go. And out. And 1 minute, 3 seconds. And now we've got the Milwaukee M12 drill driver, and I've got the M12 red lithium high output XC 5.0 battery installed on there. It's fully charged, ready to go. I've got my chucks set nice and level, all my screws set, and my stopwatch is ready to go, and go. Reverse. "56 seconds. Not bad. All right, next up we got the DeWalt 20-volt drill driver. I got the chuck set the same way I had the Craftsman chuck set, and I wanted to mention, just since I haven't mentioned it before, I will be setting these tools at the top speed, no matter what the top speed is for that tool. I think that's the correct comparison, simply because if it's got it, you're going to use it. So I think the best comparison is the highest to the highest to the highest. So we're ready for the DeWalt. Got the stopwatch set, and go. And out. "57.33 seconds. All right, up next I've got the Milwaukee installation drill driver. This is the M12. I've got the M12 red lithium high output XC 5.0 battery on it, fully charged and ready to go. One of the really nice things about this installation driver is it's got removable heads. So you can pick and choose which head you want on it. It has both the quick release head like an impact driver would have, as well as your standard drill head with the movable chucks. For this test, I'm going to be using the quick release because it's pretty much the only thing that I and most people use. As far as the standard head, very few people are going to go with the drill head over this one unless they are going with a drill bit that does not have the quick release. So we are ready to go. I've got all my screws set up, got my stopwatch ready, and go. Well, I'm going to have to start over again. I just completely stripped out the head of that screw. All right, so I've got all my screws set up ready to go. Got my drill ready, stopwatch is ready, and go. Back out. And we've got 47 seconds. All right, next up I got the DeWalt impact driver. I've got a fully charged 20 volt, 5 amp hour XR battery in it. And stopwatch is ready to go. And go. And out. And we are at 43 seconds. All right, before we get into our last test for this showdown, just want to hit a couple of things real quick. I would really appreciate it if you'd go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Making content like this is just something I do for fun on the side, so I really am trying to grow the small woodworking channel, and a subscribe and a like would be greatly appreciated. Second thing is the shirt. Got to give a shout out to my buddy Mike at Armor Woodworks by Mike for this awesome shirt. He's got them on his website, www.armorwoodworkbymike. I'll have a link to his website and down in the description below. Great guy, great company. Really appreciate if you'd support him and throw some orders his way. All right, up last I've got the Milwaukee M18 impact driver. I've got the M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery fully charged and ready to go on it. Got all my screws set up and my stopwatch ready to go, so go. backwards. And 40 seconds. All right, I'm back with the results, and some of them really surprised me. I think that they'll surprise you as well. So in 8th place, we've got the Craftsman drill driver, and it had a time of 1 minute and 10 seconds. 7th place, surprising, the Milwaukee M18 drill driver. It had a time of 1 minute and 3 seconds. In 6th place, the DeWalt drill driver. It had a time of 57.3 seconds. These are the surprising ones. In 5th place, the Milwaukee M12 drill driver. It had a time of 56 seconds. So 1.3 seconds faster than the 20-volt DeWalt. The M12 Impact comes in at 4th place with a time of 55 seconds. So 1 second faster than the drill. In 3rd place, we have the M12 installation driver. This was a real surprise. I was sure that this was going to beat it, but it didn't. So we had the installation driver at 47 seconds. 2nd place, the DeWalt impact driver at 43 seconds. And in 1st place was the Milwaukee M18 fuel impact driver. It had a time of 40 seconds. So we have a differentiation here of 30 seconds between the Craftsman and the M18 impact driver. So here's your results. Let me know in the comments below if you were surprised like I was at some of these, some of the end results that we got here. I hope this is helpful to somebody, and if so, hit that subscribe button, baby. Have a good one.